Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Alpine White. As you can see, the vehicle also features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. It is a facelift model, as you can see by the facelift front headlights. Also comes with the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. Situated just behind those 19-inch 704M alloys that we just had professionally refurbished are the M Sport Plus brakes as part of that package. Down the side we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, another feature of the Plus package is the sun protection glazing you'll see on the rear windows. Inside the car we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes in the front with the heated and the electric movement and memory options. We've also got Harman Kardon, again thanks to that Plus package. An 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course that's all going to work really well in conjunction with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. Shortly we'll take you through and show you more of the interior features of the car. For now we'll take a look at the rear seats, which again are a nice fixed ready rear bench with a central folding armrest, and all of which are in great condition. Darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading to the very back of the vehicle, we'll show you those 19-inch wheels once again. All the way around we've got the premium mixed run flat tyres, and we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then the matching rear diffuser on this Gran Coupe. If you've not yet seen the boot space for one of these vehicles, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as they are a very big space. Also comes with split folding seats, removable top and bottom parcel shelves. Round at the driver's side, once again everything's lovely and clean, and the Alpine White really works exceptionally well with all of the additions we've made, as well as those stunning alloy wheels. Inside the car is where we'll go ahead and take a seat now. We do have the professional wide navigation and media screen in this vehicle, and we'll go through and show you some of the features of that. Beginning with some of the multimedia, as you can see there is a wide array of that, including DAB, music collection, CD, AUX and USB inputs. There is of course also Bluetooth audio as well as telephone. Back at the main menu, being a facelift car also includes a facelift to the iDrive. This one also has the Professional Plus, so we can use it as a touchscreen system as well. That really benefits, especially when using the sat-nav system. As you can see, I can pinch zoom, I can scroll around like so, and I can even tap into destinations and use it like so. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreen, nice and easy, simply go back to use your iDrive scroll wheel, which is still provided in the central console. The car itself has covered just over 32,000 miles. Comes with both cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. If we head back through now, we can show you some more of the vehicle's features, including its vehicle service status and service requirements. Again, still being able to use that touchscreen capability is nice and easy. 7,000 miles till next service. Up at the top, service history, you can see there 2 recorded services from BMW, both its pre-delivery inspection service and its first service. So there is a look around another very nicely spec'd and very nicely presented 4 Series Gran Coupe. If you want some more information on this very nice vehicle, all you have to do is follow the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, go ahead, take a look at our website. That'll give you all of the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you all for taking the time to watch our walk around. We do hope you've enjoyed it, and most of all, we'll hopefully see you soon. Thank you all, take care, bye bye.